Hello guys, Ivan is here and I'm going to show you how to set up your SD1000 Bluetooth adapter. We'll start by setting the baud rate. 9600 is the most common value, so we'll move 3 top switches to the right. Before we continue, make sure that the adapter is connected to power and the switch on the side is set to on position. If the power was connected properly, the mode light on the adapter should be lit. Now we need to prepare the module for pairing by pressing the reset button and then the pairing button. You'll see the mode light flashing as you do it. If you did everything right, you will see the mode light blinking. Now we are ready to pair the module to the tablet. To do so, we need to go to the Bluetooth devices, find the SD1000 one and pair it using the pin code 1234. In order for the system to recognize the device, we need to rename it to scales. This step may be different on different tablets, so I leave it up to you. The last step is to tell the Fieldapp to use the scales of the Bluetooth.